G'day, my name's John. I'm going to show you how to assemble our Clover system. First of all, when you take the Clover column out of the box, please ensure that the column is all the way down. Put your finger on the down button till it drops all the way. Then you grab your glass bracket unit, simply slip it over the unit, slide it down so it touches. In your box you'll get a little cardboard template. Slide that on top of the steel and just ease the bracket down so that the steel and the plastic is sitting on the cardboard template, and with your little Allen key tighten it so it just touches, tighten the bottom one so it just touches, take the template out, lift it up, lower it down, smooth and freely, insert the Allen key again, third of a turn, and now it is very rigid. It's not going to slide down. Lower it down all the way, and then you have the top unit, which is your monitor holder. Simply slide your arms open, slide over the column, lower it down using your cardboard template in the upright position. Just lower it down so that it just touches there. This gives you a reference as to where to bolt this unit. Same thing, start at the top so it touches, back to the top, third of a turn, take your cardboard out, push your up button, make sure it runs freely, lower the button. If you happen to over tighten these screws, it will activate a safety device in the unit which is called piezo, which will make it travel along and stop because you're crushing the tube. So that unit works very freely. And at the end, simply place your cap over the top. I'll just show you how much of the thread is sticking out. On the top, you've got approximately 5mm, and at the bottom you have approximately 1mm.